ana gigen ma jana de kul fikeni sana jana ta surata jana de lisa zat ma bira asana o lisa ya sokerde gisinta zata ban gisinta ma kwes asan dom lisa ge kub batna ta terigala na brazat fu mesespa dawa mafi dawa talzol babla fu batna toze de mafi teriga kilizata sa de sab mayal de min sabala da sa de jana ma kulo ge korbesi dara kil wakil mafi ajala na bodi lo man mafi asade ena ta gilifu kana na gigum fogu zade ena ta tawal gilifa na gen fata mal ta ya kulu inda ana burafi beta na ma barfa ajala na burafi beta mu
ana tamani meyal ase de mafteri gazol bam shifigaba kalangadia kalangbabura ana der salam ana maindu mishkila der salam
These IDPs, and there are thousands of them, have lost everything, have lost their houses who are burned. You can see here the houses are completely burned to the ground. They have lost all their belongings. They have lost their crops for spoiling. Their goats and chicken are roaming free. They really have to restart from zero with a huge level of trauma and still wondering what happened to their families. So it's a very concerning situation.
يوم ده أنا تبانين جرجر استابات المافيا جات مافي لكن الله ده أنا مبتعين شكرا ليوهن عشان مونجي سادنا أننا ما هاكلي أنا مبتعين كاليس
أنا مرتبة بس أنا أقول لك كله يا أنا اللي قد جناك دي نمشي ما يالده تأكله